Let's start off with something easy. Can you do a Chewbacca impression?
Bad.
I need a really loud one. We're asking everyone to do their best impressions of other characters. So can we get a Chewbacca roar? No Chewbacca roar?
I didn't practice at all.
That's embarrassing.
Okay, Mark said that was great.
That was
great.
it.
Can we get a little bit louder?
Uh,
A+. Thanks, Carrie. I'll do it with you. If we do it together, will you do it? Ooh!
That sucks. It's terrible. It's terrible.
Harrison told me mine was awful. Can you do better than it?
Let me hear yours.
Woo!
That's the best one I've heard all
Thank you. Yes. Luke liked it. Han Solo hated it. You guys have to decide.